Well, hey everybody. Can't wait to see, you may not be excited to come back, but I can't wait to see students again in the building in just a few short weeks. Luckily, August and September are pretty hot, so we've still got some hot summer days once we are back. A few quick things for Newcomer Welcome Night. I really appreciate your support and signing up for this. You're amazing for doing it, and many of you will be at freshman orientation earlier that day, so it's going to be a long day for everybody. So I really appreciate your time and support. Coming to Vernon Hills is overwhelming for many people for a lot of reasons, as moving in general is. Even if you've moved across town, you know that it's really stressful. So I just want to articulate anything you can do to bring comfort, to help, to even meet up with the student, whatever your willingness is to meet up with the student those first couple days of school. It's nerve-wracking to figure out where you're going to sit when you have friends or when you've been here. You can imagine what that bell ringing for their lunch period must feel like on those first couple days, and potentially not knowing a soul. So if you're willing to meet up, exchange numbers, whatever, to just help them if your lunch periods overlap, or even just find them at the beginning of the day in the foyer or at another place that you've designated, I think would be super helpful. So I can't emphasize just the need to help ease the nervousness that I'm sure many of these students and families feel for their kid. A couple things about Newcomer Welcome Night. Thursday, August 4th. If you could arrive around 6:40, you're going to come upstairs, come into the library. Once you're in the LMC, what I'll do just prior to the day is have you already at a table for a family, kind of assigned to that table. Many of you, it's random. For a couple of you, it might be specific to another language that you speak besides English. A few of you will be doubled up. Some of you might be flying solo, but most of you or many of you might be doubled up as well, which again, like, you want to just like ask them questions, make them feel at home, see if they have any questions, but anything you can do prior to the start of our presentation at 7 o'clock would be great. If you have a family that doesn't show, when Dr. G and I kick it off at 7 o'clock, what I'll have you do is come back out to the hallway, and we'll wait a little bit and see if they come. If they come, you'll come back in and sit down with them. If they don't come, then we'll probably just set you loose. I don't want you to be there for just to be there. If you feel like I have nothing better to do and you want to stick around, you're welcome to, and you can join a group later. But we won't hold you if we don't have a task for you. Or you could go join another group if they were flying solo. So that's how we'll kind of start. You'll already be in the LMC. You'll be at a table. We'll assign tables for those families, and they'll come and sit with you. Dr. G and I will kick it off at 7. By 7:30, 7:35, we'll be done. And at that point, you can ask the family if they'd like just a tour of the building, if they'd like to walk their student's schedule. They'll be live in PowerSchool. They'll be able to pull them up. I can also make sure that we print those schedules as well for you and have them in their folder. So again, just see what they kind of want to do afterwards, and again, potentially set up a time to touch base with them that following week. What should you wear? You can wear, it's casual is fine. I would love for you to be in some sort of Cougar or Vernon Hills t-shirt or apparel, so that's a club or a fine art or an athletic or some other event, or your orientation shirt from earlier that day, that's fine. But something that kind of says you're a part of the Cougar group, Cougar family. I think that's all of my reminders. I'll send out again one last email the day before, and of course I'll see many of you at freshman orientation. Let me know if there's anything that I haven't thought of that you have questions about, and we'll go from there. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and we will see you soon.